This is a warning message to all the women that live in the United States of America. The Vice President of the United States, J.D. Vance, has just come out and said he wants to check every woman that leaves their home state to make sure they're not pregnant. And if they're pregnant and they leave the state, when they come back, they're going to be checked again to make sure they didn't have an abortion in another state. It's 2025. They've already overturned Roe v. Wade. Women that are listening, please understand where this is all going. Your rights are going to be stripped under this administration and all the cronies that are going to follow if Trump's people continue to be elected and followed. You know where it's all going? This is what they want to live under.